Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP Products plugin on Bitnami Redmine Virtual Image. Okay, in our case, we are going to use the VirtualBox as a virtualization software. However, you're free to use any other software that you like. It could be VMware or anyone else. Okay, so let's start our Bitnami Redmine 5.11 stable that is currently the latest Redmine version. So we click start and just wait a couple of seconds for Redmine to burn up and start. Okay, so we are into the login screen. The credentials that we are going to use are the default one. Bitnami. Sorry about that. Okay, so we are now in. Alright, into the beginning here, it was said that the following IP address is the one that the Redmine is located. However, if you would like to check this, you can use command hostname I. So we will double check if this is true. Hostname I. Okay, so we see that this is correct. We're going to test now. Just a couple of seconds for Redmine to start. Okay, so this is our Redmine and I'm already logged in with the default user and password that were written into the login screen. Of course, you can change it anytime, however, for my testing purposes, I'm using the default ones so it will be easier for you to see and understand the system. Okay, so if we go to administration and information, we see that we have Redmine 5.11 stable indeed, and there are a couple of plugins already installed here. And now at the end of this video we are going to have the products plugin installed. And just to say, it is important thing, the Redmine contacts is needed for the products to be able to work. However, the light free version is enough for these purposes, so you could download it anytime via our site, that is RedmineUp.com, and we can go to CRM plugin. CRM and contacts plugin is the same thing. Click on download and there is light free version available here. So you just enter your email address here, agree with the terms and conditions, and you will receive the link for the contacts plugin. Okay, so when you have contacts plugin installed, then let's continue with the installation of the products plugin. So let's go back to the command line. We change our directory to opt Bitnami Redmine and then plugins and list our already available plugins. Here I'm going to download the products via the wget command. Now I could say that there are other methods of downloading. So we could go to machine here and then file manager. Here on the left you will see your host machine, which is actually your computer. So you can log in into your guest machine, which is the virtual machine with the Bitnami Redmine. And when you log in here, you have to enter your credentials here, and then you can transfer the files, just copy paste from the one machine to the other via these arrows here. Also, you could use other methods for sharing the file. However, yeah, in our case, I'm going to use the wget. Right, so I just pasted the link for wget which is pointing to the latest products plugin that by now is 222. So I click enter, and the file is now already downloaded and saved. Let's double check. So here we see our products file. Now we have to unzip it, and then we just remove the zip file because we are no longer needing it. And if we list again, we will see the products folder here successfully appearing. Okay, now we have to return back to the core Redmine folder and run bundle install. This is going to install all the needed gems for your products plugin. Okay, the next command is that you have to run the migration, which is bundle exec rake Redmine plugins, name that is Redmine Products, and the environment is production. Okay, we click enter. And now we are seeing our migration is successfully done. These rows here are showing that the tables are successfully migrated. So the last thing that we have to do is to just restart via sudo opt Bitnami control script restart. Okay, if you like, you could also restart via powering off your virtual machine and then powering on again. It is going to do the same thing, however it will be more time for you. This is faster way. Okay, so we'll return back to our browser and just refresh the page to see what is going to happen. Of course, we could wait now 10 or 15 seconds for Redmine to load because it has been restarted and it needs some time. Okay, so we see the products plugin is successfully appearing here. So yeah, this was the thing that we has as a task. So glad to know that this video was helpful for you, and if you like, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Yeah, thanks again and bye bye.